Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi TTS, finished in a Mythos black. The car has the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, with the front headlight washer jets, and as we move round to the side of the vehicle, we have the 20-inch V-spoke design alloy wheels. Moving around to the rear, we have the privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, with the electronic retractable rear spoiler, dynamic sweep indicators with its LED backlights, rear parking sensors, and the quad chrome exhaust. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, and a remainder of the manufacturer's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the Alcantara on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, the Bang & Olufsen Sound System with the fine Nappa leather Super Sport front seats, the diamond stitching with the S embossed logo, four-way electronic lumbar support with automatic headlights and wipers and heated seats, a flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel with the red stitching with cruise control, virtual cockpit with navigation maps, an S-tronic automatic gearbox with the electronic handbrake and auto hold assist, and the car's also got the lane assist option. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi TT, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.